Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sandra and this is my story. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the thumbs up button if you like this video and turn on the notification bell to see my videos every Tuesday. In today's video, we are in a new place and it's not like a regular video where I'm talking about makeup or beauty or whatever. It's not even a vlog. It's more like a, let's say, house tour because we moved. Oh, it's so bright here. Let me put you somewhere. Can you see me? Because we moved into our new house. It's actually our own house, which is very, very exciting. And honestly, guys, I wanted to document this from the beginning, but unfortunately I didn't have time. Everything was a mess. We had a lot of stuff to pack up, and obviously we settled in. We moved here on Saturday and today is Wednesday. I think it's better this way. I'm trying to find the right spot for this video. So the video will be quite raw, let's say, because obviously we didn't finish to arrange everything. We still have a lot of work, but I wanted to do a quick house tour because it will be really interesting to see this after a few weeks or months when we're gonna finish all the work, to see the before and after videos. But first, let me tell you the story. We saw this house in October last year, at the end of October actually, and the funny thing is that we saw another house in the same neighborhood, like 5 houses away, something like that. We liked that one, but the relationship with the real estate agent was not the best, and they were asking for a lot of money, and we thought the price is quite high compared to this area. And after a week we found this one. It was within our budget, which was the most important thing. And when we saw it, obviously it had like furniture and everything, but my boyfriend said this is the one. I didn't feel the same thing, to be honest with you guys, because I didn't know what I wanted at that point. I knew I want 2-bedroom house with garage and backyard, but I didn't, I didn't picture it. I didn't know how it's gonna look like, and we really liked this one. The offer has been accepted very quickly, I think in 2 days, and then we started the process. About that one though, I'm gonna do a separate video because it's a lot to talk about, but this is like the intro about this house, how we found it. Oh, another thing that I forgot to mention, we moved to Dartford, Kent. We left London basically, but we are quite close. Well, we have good connection to central London, and this is the most important thing because I'm working in central London, and for me the commute needs to be comfortable, let's say. But yeah, this is the story in a nutshell, how we have chosen this house. And now let's get into the house tour. Okay, so guys, let's start from here. This is the door, obviously, and this is the entrance. We have a drawer, like 2 drawers here for shoes. This needs to be fixed, and we're gonna go to the living room, but I'm gonna turn the camera to see the whole thing. Okay, so this is the living room. And as you can see, like a lot of luggages and obviously bin bags with stuff. And this is the furniture that we took it from the last place, from the old place. The owners didn't leave anything except the kitchen. And this is the view. I'm gonna show you outside in a minute. And these are the parking slots for us and for our neighbor. This TV should be somewhere in one of the bedrooms. This is the main main TV. This is my improvised office, my improvised desk, because I ordered a desk today, so I should have it in a few days. But for now, I'm working from here. I know it's not the most comfortable desk, obviously, because it's not a desk, but it's better than nothing, basically. I have some flowers here. Here they had the TV, but I don't like the TV here, to be honest. I'm not sure how we're gonna arrange the sofa. But anyway, this is rubbish. These are empty boxes. And here, guys, I really apologize for this mess, but we really need these, yeah, my boyfriend's tools and everything, because we didn't finish to arrange this, as I said before. And now we are going into the kitchen. And this is my wonderful collection of magnets from literally all over the world. This is the kitchen, the sink, more flowers, obviously, more flowers. I bought these yesterday. And here we should have the dishwasher. We need to buy that one. The washing machine, we brought the washing machine with us. The oven was here, and this is the furniture. It's nothing fancy, honestly. The whole kitchen furniture needs to be changed, but for now it's pretty decent. Now here we have some storage, and this is my favorite cupboard. Because here I can put my stuff, my kitchen stuff, vegetables, Kisha's food, and other stuff like that. Now let's go into the back. So we have this garden. It's not a proper garden, but it's like a backyard, and we should arrange this soon. We have a barbecue. That is a thing that is not ours. It's a mud kitchen something. We need to throw that away. And a tree. And now let's go upstairs. The ground floor looks decent. Obviously we need to buy a table with some chairs for the dining area. We need to do a lot of stuff, but upstairs it's a mess. And I'm gonna start with the less messy room, let's say, which will be my makeup studio and my office. And this is the room. Kishu! Kisha! Kisha! Kish! Co was mommy? Yeah, obviously she's sleeping, or she's ignoring me. This is our old couch. We're gonna keep it here, and we are sleeping on it for now because the bed will arrive next week, which is quite annoying. And my battery just died. Chest of drawers. Obviously this one is a mess. It's full of skincare, makeup, and more makeup. I need to organize this as soon as possible. And here I'm gonna have the desk and the chair, and obviously we need to paint the walls because they are pretty dirty, but yeah, it is what it is. And this is the view. This is me. And this is the view with the backyard. And here we have another cupboard. At the moment, guys, obviously it's full of boxes because we want to paint the walls and obviously bring the furniture, and then I'm gonna arrange everything. So yeah, this is quite messy and I apologize for this. This is the hall. This is the bathroom. The bathroom is fine. I mean, we arranged this because you really need you know, to take a shower, to brush your teeth. This is my lovely I don't even know what's this, but I have like my stuff in here, my skincare stuff. This is the tub and shower is there. And here we have another cupboard, which is really useful because I can put like all my stuff in here, like hair care, skincare, towels and other stuff like that, like cleaning products. And the last but not least, the master bedroom. Prepare to be amazed because this is very work in progress. So this is a cupboard, and the old owners had a like a fabric here, like a curtain, which was really ugly. So we're gonna order some drawers and some doors for this one, obviously. And then we have the wardrobe, which is huge and is full of clothes. And we have a thing here, probably you saw this already because this is available at IKEA, but we have this thingy here for jewelry and stuff. It's so cool. I really like this one. And the other side is similar to this one. Obviously half of it is mine, the other half is my boyfriend's. And now, yeah, as you can see guys, a lot of stuff in here. I'm sorry, this is a mess. I told you this is a mess because we are trying to paint the walls, and yeah, my boyfriend is doing the hard work. And this is the view from the other side, parking slots, and this is the residential neighborhood. It's pretty quiet, it's pretty clean. I mean, it's really clean and quiet and nice people. So yeah, the master bedroom will be painted in gray. We're gonna need some bedsides, we're gonna need a bed, a mattress. We already, probably it's better to see me, we already ordered those. They will arrive this weekend or next week. We are not pretty sure, but we hope in about 2 weeks time we're gonna finish the bedrooms, I mean the master bedroom and my office, and then we can start looking for a couch for the living room and other stuff like that. We're gonna remove the carpets at some point, probably in a few weeks, and we're gonna change the floors because I'm not a big fan of carpet, to be honest, and it's quite dirty, this one. But yeah, we're gonna replace this soon. And Kisha is still sleeping because why not? She has such a lovely life. Okay, let me turn the camera and go downstairs because I need to work. I was off for 2 days and now I need to get back to work. A lot of things to do. But yeah, this is our house. I'm really excited about it. Obviously it's not finalized yet. There are a lot of things to do, as I mentioned before. And guys, if you are interested, please let me know in the comments down below if you are interested to see the whole process, because we're gonna do this house step by step, like baby steps, because we are not millionaires so we don't have enough money to do and enough time to do everything in a few days. We're gonna get a lot of like items and accessories and things like that on budget. We don't want to spend a fortune on furniture and things like that. Expensive furniture worth the money when you have a big house, when you have a lot of money. But otherwise, knowing me, I'm getting bored really quickly. So after a few years, I will want to change that furniture. So there's no point in spending like thousands of pounds if I'm gonna change it after 3 years or 5 years or whatever. So yeah, this is my my idea. And obviously we're gonna arrange the garden. I would like to do some videos about that because I am so in love with flowers and plants. I'd love to plant some flowers and I love to film this for you guys to see what I'm doing in the weekends. And especially that now the weather started to be nice. Well, it's quite chilly outside, but I mean, it's mid-April. I missed you guys. I know I haven't uploaded a video for such a long time because we were pretty busy with the whole house process, moving. I also have some updates, like personal life updates, but I'm gonna upload a video, like a separate video about that thing, because it was a pretty big deal at that point. Now I'm fine, everything is fine, and I am full of energy to start arranging my house and keep you posted about this. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Take care, spread the beauty, and see you next time. Bye!